Whenever you upgrade your system and you move from your existing CRM into Zoho, you will find that you can import any kind of CSV into the system using the import button. For example, if I like to add more leads into my system, I will just click import, import leads, upload the file, and I'm good to go. But what happens when I like to add tasks into Zoho CRM? When I need to move my existing tasks from one CRM into Zoho, there is really no way to do it. The trick is that you need to go to the setup, and then you will click on the import. You will go to migration, and then you will click on other CRM in case that the CRM that you're upgrading from is not listed here. And then you will need to upload the file. So let's assume this is the file. It will take a few seconds. And then you will get all your modules. At that point, you will click on tasks and you're ready to go. That's it. This is how you import tasks from one CRM into Zoho.